Hi all. So we are back again. So last session was about off-page SEO, right? We saw how to do link building. We saw directory submission. We also saw article submission, right? So this session is going to be about local SEO. So local SEO, is something which is done for businesses, which is done by small businesses, so to say, and they do it to attract the local customers. So it is a scenario wherein businesses which are small, which are local in nature, and the customers that they target are also, so to say, in that zone. So that's where local SEO comes into play, right? So typically, what happens if you have if a local business is competing with, say, a larger brand or a national brand, which is already well known to people. A larger brand obviously has a more reach, and the people already know the brand, all the national brands, so to say. So if a local business is competing with such a brand, then what will happen is that they have to do their uh, targeting in a different manner, right? That's where local SEO comes into play, wherein these local businesses will try to rank locally, so to say, right? Uh, Not only that, not only that scenario, there could also be a scenario like, for example, a restaurant. A restaurant business, for example, if I am on the move and it is dinner time and I'm kind of hungry, then what I'll do is that I'll take out my mobile and do Google search, and then I'll type something like uh, you know uh, Chinese restaurant near me, right? And then accordingly, I will choose my restaurant. So, like I said, not only that local business comes into play if a smaller business is trying to compete with a national or a bigger brand, but also in terms of services like a restaurant business, for example, wherein people would like to, have a restaurant in their vicinity, so to say, during the time of need. Right. So to deep dive into the session, let us first go into the PPT like I always do to start off with. Let me open my PPT. Let's go. Okay. Let's go up. Okay. Local SEO. Yeah. So as a definition, local SEO is a search engine optimization strategy that gives business visibility in local search results on Google. Businesses that have a physical location or serve a geographical area can benefit from local SEO, right? So like we discussed, it's very local in nature. It's about small businesses targeting customers locally. Okay. So as an example here, okay, before that, okay, now off-page SEOs, one of the prime element is Google My Business listing. So what happens? Google My Business listing lets you easily connect with customers across Google Search and Maps as a definition. Okay. So what happens in Google My Business listing is that Google My Business is a free tool that is given by Google, and wherein this tool can be used to get your customers locally. Okay. And so as you can see, for example, if I would have typed in the search vinyl record shop, then this company relevant record cafe would have come. Okay. But apart from that, what would also have happened is that this on the right hand side, as you can see, this is the Google My Business, that is popping up. So why? Because this company, Relevant Record Cafe, they have listed themselves in Google My Business. So that's why this is also come up. Okay. So now I'll actually show you all as to how to, list your business in Google My Business. Okay. So for that, what I need to do is I need to type the website business. It's already there. Okay, like they have already mentioned, customers are 50% more likely to consider purchasing from businesses with a complete business profile. Okay, so let's create a profile. Okay, so what I do now, my business is going to be about, it's going to be a restaurant business. Okay, and the name that I'm going to give to my business is Tasty. What I'll give Chinese. Already there's a name. Oh, okay, no, it's not there. Tasty Chinese. Okay, fine. That's it. Business category, it will be restaurant, is already there. Okay. Then next. Do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? This location will show up on Google Maps and search when customers are looking for a business. Okay. So if I've got a physical location, then I type yes. If I don't have, if I'm only into online, then I'll type no. So suppose if I have a physical location as well. Okay, India. I have already got something typed. This is my address. Bangalore. Input is 56035. Okay, that's 035. Say state is Karnataka. Search, yeah, it's there. Next. Okay. Then, do you also serve customers outside this location? For example, if you visit or deliver to your customers, you can let them know where you are willing to go. Okay. Yes, I also serve them outside a location. No, I don't. No, I don't. For example, phone number. Let me just put it just like that. Now, okay. So if I have a website, I'll put it here. If I don't have one, then I'll do this. And if then I can also get a free website based on the information that I provide here. I can also do it instantly here. So I don't have a website as of now, for example. Invalid phone number. Okay, let me put my phone number only. One update and recommendation from for your business on Google. Yes, you can have. Next. Okay. Now this is important. So now you have to verify your account. So in order to fully manage and represent this business on Google, you will need to confirm that it's yours. Select how you would like to get a confirmation code. So one is that I can I can get a SMS here. Okay. If I do call, then they will call me instantly, or if I want to text, then they will text me immediately. Okay. Okay. Now I don't want to verify now. So what I'll do is that I will verify later. Okay. Because this is just for a demonstration. Now add business hours. That is very important. Mine is a restaurant business, so it's going to be open 7 days a week. Open Sunday, open Monday, open Tuesday, open Wednesday, open Thursday, open Friday, open Saturday, open. Okay. Now the hours. Open at say around 11 o'clock. Okay. Close that. Oh, sorry, this is open. Okay. Close that. What I'll do. Hmm. $11 p.m. Oh, what happened? Okay. So here also I have to do the same thing. So here also I have to keep on doing the same thing. 11 again, 11 p.m. Okay. PM. Here also 11 a.m. 11 p.m. 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. 11 a.m. 11 p.m. Okay. Next. Okay. Accept messages from customers. Yes. Okay. Now add the dining modes. Customers can dine at your restaurant. Yes. Pick up. Customers pick up orders inside a restaurant. Yes. Customer curbside pickup. Customers pick up orders outside of your restaurant. No. Drive-through. Customers pick up orders from a drive-through window at a restaurant. No, say, for example. Delivery restaurant offers in-house or third-party delivery. Yes. No contact delivery or restaurant places delivery orders by the customer's door. The next. Okay. Now, my business description. Okay, business description could be best Chinese, authentic Chinese, restaurant in Bangalore. we have Master Chef, say for example Tarun, who is an awarded chef. So like that. Okay, it's only for demonstration. Okay, then next, photo menu. So let me see if I've got some photo. Okay, I've got a menu already here. Okay, then next, okay, photo dishes. So let me just check if I've got a few photos, some delicious Chinese food. Yeah, that's it. Then I go next. Your business profile is almost ready. Continue. Okay. So verification needed. Like I said, I said I'll do it later. I have to verify and then only I can start. So that is important. Okay. Now, as you can see, I can put a logo here. So like that I can do. So you can also put COVID-19 updates and all that stuff here. So everything I have to verify, then only I get reviews and all for here. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just go to another account of mine and show it how it actually works. Because this is only for demo, right? So what I'll do is that I'll go to okay. So this is one view profile that I already have. Okay, Samasta India Investa LLP. Okay, so here you can see reviews. I had reviews here, right? I can add a photo also here. I can edit from here also. And yeah, so this is actually how it will look. Okay, so this is how it will look in the search. It will come on the right hand side. Okay, then you can also ask for reviews from people. So what you can do is that you can send a link to people's mail, and then they can click on the link and then give reviews. So giving reviews is again very important. So we'll again see that in the next slide as to what we should do, to optimize. So to say. Okay. So that's how it is. So that's Google My Business. Okay. So now, okay. Now how to optimize your local SEO. See, it's very important to get good reviews from happy customers because it's only because good news spreads like wildfire, right? Just like bad news also spreads like wildfire, of course. So here it's very important to ask for reviews from customers you think who are happy. Okay, so this is something that we should do religiously, to ask people to give reviews attract other people into thinking that yes, this is a good service. Local keyword optimization is also very important. Now it's local business, so obviously it should have local local keywords in terms of the search intent, because how people in Bangalore will search will be different from how people will search in Delhi, right? Because people use different lingos, even in the usage of English, for example, in Karnataka, which will be different in Delhi. So that local flavor in terms of the local keyword optimization has to be there. That is very important. Okay, so I have to use local keywords, as optimization, so that my local SEO stands out. Okay, voice search is very important. Now we will be in a transition phase. We are already in a transition phase, a very small transition phase at the moment, wherein people are going for voice search, right? We got Google voice search, wherein people are going to search by voice more than by text, right? So it is very important that we also optimize voice search, because that's going to be trend in years to come. We are already seeing the change, but it's only going to get bigger and bigger with times to come. So how now in this voice search, if you see, long tail keywords will come into play in a bigger way. Why? Because when you are speaking something, obviously you are describing, you have that tendency to describe more, right, than writing. So for example, if I want to search for the best, say, Vietnamese cuisine here in Bangalore, I'll be more specific in my query, right? The query that I'm going to submit through the voice search is going to be more specific, because I know what's there, and then I'm going to be more expressive. So long tail keywords is something that's going to be more in focus, as voice search is going to be more in demand in the years to come. Okay, mobile optimization for website is of course very, very important, because how you're going to search is all going to be through mobile, right? Because if I am doing a local search, so obviously I'll only be using my mobile, right? I'm standing in the middle of the road, and then I search something like a cinema hall near me, for example. If I'm new to Bangalore and I don't know where cinema halls are, right? So I might search for cinema halls near me. So obviously I'll be searching it on through mobile, right? So mobile optimization for the website is very, very important, right? Local based content, that is also very important. Local based content is very, very important. Why? Because for example, in Karnataka, if I've got, say, a shop of Mysore silk, I sell Mysore silk, through my platform, through my shop basically. So what will happen is that I need to know as to when, so obviously I need to know about the local flavor, right? When will those Mysore silk saris will be more in demand is during festival times, for example, Makar Sankranti. So local based content has to be optimized, to get the best out of it. That goes without saying, right? Product specific pages. Since we are targeting very niche audience, obviously we should have product specific pages that talks specifically about the products that I'm going to offer, as to how they're going to stand out in terms of the competition around me, in terms of the competition that could be bigger in name. So obviously I need to have product specific pages which are very specific in nature, wherein they talk about the products that I'm going to offer, and that should really cater to people's need basically. We should be very clear about the about us page, So this about us page is going to have things like what about the opening hours, the closing hours of my business. Then it's going to have things like maybe availability of parking space. So all those important information is going to be there in the about us page, right? And this about us page it has to be linked to the Google Map to make it operational, right? So these are the important things in terms of how you optimize the local SEO, right? And because for a business which is already small, which is already local in nature, so obviously we have to optimize whatever is there with us, right? Okay. Then comes classified submissions. So classified submission nothing but what you can do is that you can there are a lot of free classified submission sites wherein you can wherein you can display your ads basically free of cost. So that of course helps in your visibility, because one is that it's free and it adds to your visibility among your customers, among your potential customers, or even otherwise, right? So let us see a few of the free classified submission sites, on Google search. Free classified submission sites. Time.org, findermaster.com, worldclassifieds.com, advertise.com. Okay, now let's check one of my favorite, which is Locanto in India. This is one of the quite common free classified submission sites that you have here. So for example, if I want to post a free ad here, let's check. Best tennis rackets with discount in Bangalore. Okay. So this is the title. Then what happens here is that sports and wellness. Okay, sports. Register. Okay, it's already there. Okay. So I'll try another one. Yeah. Description. All major brands, tennis racket brands. Including Head. By the way, these are all for all those people who do not follow tennis. These are all the major racket brands. Okay, Head, Wilson, Babulette Prince Technifiber, okay, Dunlop on sale, okay, date 28 July, okay, if I've got some image, okay, so this is from 28 to, say the discount period is from till here, then I don't have, do I have, okay, let me put this, this is optional, phone number none, let's put something, Bangalore, okay, and you just have to post to ad. Now, I'm not going to post it because it is only for demonstration purpose. So it's a very simple process. As you can see, you're getting free listing of your ads in the classified section in this classified sites, and you should definitely use them, because it will only help you increase your visibility among your customers, right? Potential customers, so to say. Okay. So yeah, so that's about local SEO. So we saw what local SEO stands for. We saw in practice as to how to open up Google My Business account, right? Because that's the whole essence of local SEO, because you need to open a Google My Business account, and after opening, this is how it will look like, right, on your right hand side of your Google search. And then we saw how to optimize your local SEO, right, getting good reviews, local keyword optimization, voice search, very important, mobile optimization for your website, local based content, product specific pages, then the important about us page will be linked with the then we saw the classified submission sites wherein you can submit your free ad list, right, which will only improve your visibility. So that's about it as far as the local SEO goes. I hope you all understood it properly and also enjoyed the session. Like always, it's been a joy to be part of this session again. And yes, for the time being, it's bye from here, and we'll be seeing in the next session again very soon. Thanks. Bye. Take care.